Safemoon is a platform that has been garnering many fans over the last year. Right from its entry into the market to the various updates that it has been involved with, it has been doing pretty amazingly. But more than that, Safemoon is going to be a complete game changer, and we're going to tell you how, so stay tuned. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we shall be taking a look at the latest news regarding Safemoon and its blockchain that's about to change everything. Before we get into how Safemoon is going to be a total game changer in the industry, let's take a look at what Safemoon's basic ideologies are. One of their main ideologies involves attracting long-term investors. Their whole system has been designed this way, due to which most of the people who have interested in this coin are in for the long haul. In fact, anyone who loses interest in the coin midway and decides to sell the coins would be entitled to pay 10% sales tax, and 40% of this collected money will be redistributed to the token holders, while 30% would be fed into the liquidity pool of the system. 20% of the tokens would be burned, while the rest of the 10% would be fed into a growth fund. Due to Safemoon functioning with this ideology, it holds value in the market, thus encouraging its investors to be loyal long-term investors of the token. This in turn helps the market resist the volatility factor by keeping the investors invested in the market. Investors may be able to make a certain amount of money by selling their tokens as well as holding on to their tokens. This means that even if the overall price of Safemoon was to witness a downward trend, one would be able to make a slight profit if one chose to sell. This could be the pattern followed for quite some time, but if we are to predict if this would continue to take place in the distant future, well, that's something we're unsure of at this point in time. Another scenario that could take place would include very few investors buying and selling the token, leaving the price of Safemoon to stagnate while the investors' patience levels are tested as they wait for the price of the token to increase. The ugly truth to the side is that the increase may never come. This thus leaves the investors in a very tough spot where they have to either sell for a profit or hold for a profit. Safemoon has been designed in such a way that it poses a small solution to the volatility factor that persists throughout the market. On the other hand, due to this factor as well as its ability to skyrocket in price, it can make its investors a lot of money. Furthermore, the platform is a community-driven platform that makes it all about the community that includes the investors. It's also important to note that Safemoon has a few major functions when it trades, and they include reflection, liquidity provider, acquisition, a token burning mechanism, and feeding the growth of the fund. So how exactly does the Safemoon platform work? Well, the Safemoon is a platform that has integrated the world of crypto and the metaverse on its platform. Its functionality has a lot to do with digital assets known as cryptocurrencies, and this is used as a medium of exchange, may it be in games or to purchase and sell land. Furthermore, Safemoon is powered by blockchain, which is a system where transactions are recorded with the aid of ledger technology. Safemoon was created on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, which is the most famous platform out there. As we mentioned earlier, their strategy to keep their investors in the game long-term did cause a spike in its price initially. But that same strategy does not seem to be working at the moment. Inflation and the crypto crash are two reasons why this may be the fact. According to Certic, a blockchain security firm, Safemoon's owners acquire the majority of the tokens from the liquidity pool, and this gives them massive control over the tokens, and thus control over the fee that is being charged as well. Certic has further added that the system poses quite a major issue. Furthermore, according to Certic, Safemoon's security features are also quite weak, but we're sure that the latest orbital shield that Safemoon is going to come out with is going to be a total game changer in terms of its security. Another fact to take note of is that the developers of Safemoon reduced the circulation of the Safemoon tokens manually, and this causes the supply to go down and the price to go up. They did this a short while ago, and the price did increase, with it reaching an all-time high of $0.000014 in April 20th, 2021. But following that, it has fallen drastically. Now let's take a quick look at how the Safemoon blockchain is going to change everything for its investors. Well, first up, it is quite a valuable meme coin that everyone in the crypto industry is aware of. In fact, many even started their crypto journey with this coin. Safemoon has been highly praised and gained massive fame for its branding, and this has made it stand out amongst all of its competitors. In fact, all these large cryptos have formed a cult on social media platforms where they garner their fame by putting themselves out there. This has helped them in brand building as well as brand management. Safemoon has always been trending ever since it was created, may it be in the form of a hashtag or being mentioned by a crypto influencer. Due to this, it has quite a major competitive advantage over all the other cryptos in the industry, posing a huge threat to them. Speaking of crypto influencers, they have been a major driving force in this game. Major influencers such as Dave Portnoy have garnered the platform some major clout. And yes, this was all possible without any new update being brought about or any new technological change being made. In fact, to be known as a brand that is legitimate and authentic, having such influencers to back them up is the way to go. Even if these influencers are to speak in their platform once about Safemoon, it triggers an interest amongst the followers, making them do some research on the coin before investing in it. It also helps spread awareness of the coin, which is the first step to garnering investors. Another thing about Safemoon that we mentioned earlier was that they burn their tokens manually. Most other crypto brands have systems to burn their tokens. The main purpose of token burning is to eradicate the token permanently from being circulated. But Safemoon does not continuously burn their token, but does it manually whenever they feel the need arises to do so. This is usually done by the founders, who also happen to be the whales of this cryptocurrency. This manual way of burning tokens is quite beneficial to the long-term investors of the token. This makes the system quite transparent, as the dates when the burning will take place are announced and the burning process is tracked publicly. We live in times where inflation has targeted everyone in the world in some way or the other. Having a steady income has become hard, and even having a normal income is not enough to sustain oneself. Due to this, many are looking to make some money on the side with the aid of passive income. We had mentioned earlier how the sales tax percentage is split. A certain percentage comes to the Safemoon investors, and they also happen to get a certain set of incentives through this benefit. But if they chose to sell, they would be contributing to someone else's passive income. There are quite a few cryptocurrencies out there that are quite expensive to own. Safemoon comes with the benefit of being an inexpensive coin that can be bought by many investors without creating a hole in their pockets. This also poses a great advantage to new investors as well as investors who wish to invest in the coin. It is human nature for one to doubt the legitimacy of a coin, and many do doubt the legitimacy of Safemoon too. But investing in this platform in small amounts is possible. Once the token owners see the benefits on their own, they could then invest more in Safemoon. All in all, Safemoon is a digital asset that comes with its fair share of pros and cons, and those who are investing in this asset should be equally ready for big losses as much as they are ready for big gains. Do you have any investments in Safemoon? If yes, how has your experience with this cryptocurrency been so far? What do you think about Safemoon's blockchain? Do bless us with your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, we come to the end of this video. Do support our channel by dropping this video a like, subscribing to our channel, and turning on your post notifications. See you soon!